See, number one, first thing you need to understand, sales is a very noble profession. What is a noble profession? What's a noble profession? Noble profession is one where you're going to help somebody. A doctor, you say, is a noble profession, right? Nobody argues about it, right? He saves lives. Similarly, in sales, what you are doing is customer has a problem and you are helping him. You'll have to relook at the way you're looking at sales. Customer has a problem and you are helping him solve it. Right? That is the job of sales. So if you have any other definition of sales, take it out of your mind. My customer has a problem, I am helping him come out. If he says no to you, that is his problem. He is missing out. So if the customer has a problem which you are solving, you in sales, our job is to study the problem at the customer place, not offer solutions. How many of you think sales means you need to talk a lot? So fundamental rule, customer don't offer everything up front. Understand what the customer wants. That is why sales is said to be a noble profession. You are understanding his problem and helping him solve it. Right? So that's one. So that you see the customer is being helped. See, today we as salespeople, we are actually helping Nirmala Sitharaman, because the more we sell, the more tax government collects. Right? So we are actually supporting the company's economy in a big way, which is an understatement which not many of us know. Now, because you sell textiles to the shop, or you are selling your product or something else, background, see what happens. The production has to increase. Customer who buys it from you uses it. Right? So he again spends something more. So in the chain, the production goes up. Right? You not only helps collect the taxes, you are helping further by making sure that the supply chain goes on. The product is collected, given, the customer uses it, goes again to the next stage, and the stage after that. So the production line is kept going. So if the production line is kept going, what happens? Employment happens. See how much we are helping the government. And your organization can have the best of the product or service. Right? You can have wonderful product and service. But if the company has to run what it needs, right? And where does that come from? Only if you and I go and sell. If we don't sell, product will be there only, right? So how many of you are proud that you are in sales now? Right? You are in a profession where you are actually doing a lot of good to the country and to the society. Another advantage with sales is generally in the organization, since you are the ones who are bringing in the money, the salary is generally the highest to the salespeople in most organizations. And all that coming in, which means your earning potential is very high. Of course, this depends on company to company where you are working, but then your earning potential is highest generally in sales. And this is the only job in the company where you have a target, your performance can be easily measured. Right? Your performance is quantifiable. Have to sell 100, I've sold 100. Your performance is there, quantified. In no other, I don't think any other profession you have that, where it gets quantified that easily and specifically. And your contribution is known. And you make a tangible impact onto the company. If the company does 100 crores, you know I have done 10 crores in that. If company has done 150 crores, you know I have done 15 crores. I have contributed 15 crores in that. So this is one profession that gives you that. And your career is generally fast-paced. Because this is the only profession where if you do well, since it is visible, your career also growth becomes faster. And this is a job which is always in demand. Today I can sell soap, tomorrow I can sell computer, tomorrow I can go and sell some ship or something else, I can go sell aeroplane. Right? So this is a job which is always in demand. So hence there is job security also. Right? Any doubts? Any questions?